Hi there, Sandra here from Create in Spain, and today I am doing a 5-minute craft. This is a 5-minute craft. If you have a plotter that can cut out fun foam, then it's certainly not going to take you very long. I will link the file down below. I've got 3 pieces of foam. This one is just a plain white foam. I have a white glitter foam for the front panel, which is really pretty. So I'm going to be using silicone glue because that's the sort of stuff you need if you're going to be putting a foam together, generally speaking. You just need to check the glue that you have and check that it's suitable for foam. Not all glues like gluing foam, and some are a lot better than others, but this silicone glue is pretty good. Now I'm putting it all over the base of here, but I'm not putting it on that little loop because that loop isn't having anything over the top. And all I have to do is align it up. So that's nice and easy to do. Now I have this pink heart cut out, which goes into the center, fits in precisely there, and I'm almost done. All I have to do now is to pick some gems to go in the holes, and I've got these kind of borealis ones which I thought would look rather pretty, so I'm going to stick those in there. And there we have it. I think that's quite pretty. It's very lightweight, so you could hang it wherever you want. If you wanted to, you could even make this out of leather and make it into a key fob. There's all sorts of things you could do with it, but it's quick, it's easy, and it's a little bit of fun. Thanks for watching. I'll see you again soon. Take care now.